Using Pepperstone's MT5 platform is straightforward and ideal for beginner and advanced traders alike. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Download and install MT5. Begin by downloading the MT5 platform from Pepperstone's website. Follow the installation steps on your computer or mobile device. Log into your trading account. Open MT5 and log in using the account details provided by Pepperstone when you open your account. Select the Pepperstone server, enter your login credentials, and hit login. Navigating the platform. Familiarize yourself with the platform's layout. The Market Watch window displays available instruments and real-time quotes. The navigator lets you access your accounts, indicators, and expert advisors. Placing trades. To place a trade, either double-click on an instrument in the Market Watch window or click New Order from the top menu. Specify the trade size, type, and direction. Using analytical tools. MT5 includes technical indicators, charting tools, and timeframes to enhance analysis. Access these under Insert Indicators to apply tools to your chart. Monitor and manage trades. View your active trades, pending orders, and account history in the terminal at the bottom of the screen. Modify or close trades here as needed.